Think you're not creative enough for textile art? Give me 2 minutes and I'll change your mind. I'm Brandy Maslowski, the Quilter on Fire. After teaching thousands of makers, I can tell you the biggest barrier isn't skill. It's starting. That's why I created Square One, a fun, beginner-friendly workshop where you'll make a small textile art piece using the fabrics you love, some simple tools like your sewing machine, and a few wildly satisfying techniques. Here's a rundown of the 3 course modules. Number 1, building the base. First, we'll learn a little bit about choosing your color, and then we're going to build the base. We'll get right into building the quilt as you go, art style. We'll build it 2/3 of the way up and leave a space to insert our 5-inch fiber art square. We'll get to that next. Module 2 is all about the art. There are 6 techniques. We've got a wonky log cabin, super fun, an improv block, you can see it in here with a splash of color, a bobbin thread sketched tree. This is a really fun technique. You can create any design, print or draw, it's your choice. We'll do raw edge trapunto, a little bit of loft inside. This one's really fun. We will do stamping on fabric with acrylic paint, and we'll do painting with a painter's tape resist. It's so much fun. This one is my favorite. Once you have the 6 squares of techniques under your belt, it's time to pick your favorite. So Module 3 is all about the finishing. You'll choose your favorite textile art square from the 6 and insert it into your art quilt. From there, you'll learn the facing technique for a clean finish. Some of the past students who've taken this course have said, "I can't believe I made this," or "I finally stopped overthinking and just played." You don't need fancy supplies. You don't need hours and hours of free time. You don't need to call yourself an artist. You just need to take that one small step forward to create your Square One. You get instant access, lifetime viewing, and a project you'll be proud to hang on the wall. You can give it to a friend or use it as the first piece in your new textile art collection. So if you're ready to stop waiting for the perfect idea and just start creating, join me inside the Square One workshop. Start today, finish your first textile art piece this week, enroll now at quilteronfire.com. Let this be your spark, your first step, your Square One.